Okay, I'm ready. Awesome. Okay, you're ready. Jack, get ready! Guys. Wait, guys, I'm putting on my arm.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Kermit! Jack, what did you do?
I threw the book on accident.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
you have to do something.
What do I do?
Jack Skellington, can you... Skellington. Sorry, Cody Skellington. Can you help? Oh, wait. I'm putting on my arm. It's
1998 to 2000 Toyota
difficult.
4Runner Limited, white over silver. And then, of course,
Ready.
that portion of the copy.
Jeff, stop singing! You knocked out Kermit! And he was the main one that was, out of all of us, that was supposed to go! Go! Because Muppets now! Oh, what are we gonna do?
I'm sorry, man.
That's not a bad idea. How about you dress up as Kermit in a Kermit costume?
Oh, okay.
Cameraman, we really need a better one. Either way, let's try to put you in a Kermit costume. Get over here.
Are you sure this Kermit costume is perfect?
You're right. It looks more like Constantine.
Yeah, it does.
Let's change it back.
What's that light?
Come on, let's go.
Alright.
Change it back. Oh, what are we gonna do? The Oscars are starting soon.
What's the Oscars?
A thing where they show off shows, movies, stuff.
Oh
Hey,
no, what did I do? This darn book's so darn big.
That's a kid's book. What?
Well, I read it. It's so goddamn big. And ow!
It's like 20 pages.
No, it's like 1,000 pages. Oh,
That's Harry Potter. This is not even close to Harry Potter. This is a book I read years ago. It's for little kids. Oh. Huh? Mickey? What did you do, Mickey?
not sorry. Reese's.
I can never die, you idiots.
Oh, you idiot. You can get knocked out.
No, you can't. Not even knocked out. What did you do? You knocked out first Kermit and then Mickey? And look, I'm still not even close to putting on my arm. Oh, you're gonna get in so much trouble. Chef Eldauntes.
I'm gonna just steal his credit card. Oh yeah, that's a lot of money. And I'm gonna
Yeah,
buy.
put it back. Put it back.
No,
Put it
I'm gonna
back.
buy a Kermit costume.
Alright.
I bought a Kermit costume. Look at this. Look at the hole.
That's the real Kermit.
I forgot he's a puppet. But I'm just gonna go inside him. Try.
It's only fit for arm, idiot.
Whoa. Hello. I'm Kermit the Frog, gentlemen.
You don't even sound like him.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Fudge.
We have to do something.
I can't believe he didn't even feel that.
I'm dead. Literally. Oh, they're fit for the Oscars. They should be they should be fine when they get there. Come on, let's take them to the Oscars.
Okay.
Take him to.
Okay.
Now time to get to my arm. Put it back on. Dun dun dun.